Welcome to Captain Discovery. Behind the prestigious $100 and €100 bills lies a hidden world that few have witnessed. From raw materials to cutting-edge security technologies, every step of the production process holds astonishing secrets. Are you curious about what goes on inside the world's top money printing factories? Let's step through this hidden door together and explore.
Our employees here go through an apprenticeship program.
If you find this content interesting, don't forget to like the video and support us in bringing you more captivating content. Did you know that every $100 and €100 bill carries a story of history and timeless innovation? The $100 bill was first introduced in 1862 and quickly became a symbol of U.S. economic strength. The portrait of Benjamin Franklin on the bill represents not only wisdom and talent, but also creativity and the aspiration to rise above challenges. Over the years, the $100 bill has been continuously upgraded with advanced security features like color-shifting ink, 3D security ribbons, and microprinting, making it one of the most counterfeit-proof bills in the world. Following the success of the $100 bill, Europe also created its own iconic currency, the €100 note. Released in 2002, the euro symbolizes monetary unity across Europe. Inspired by Baroque and Rococo architecture, the €100 note reflects cultural beauty and the spirit of continental solidarity. The €100 note features modern technologies like holographic strips and fluorescent fibers, enhancing its security and solidifying its position in the global financial system. So, how are the $100 and €100 bills created? Join us as we unveil the intricate production process behind these remarkable currencies. It all starts with creating special paper. Unlike regular paper, the paper for $100 and €100 bills is made from a blend of cotton and linen fibers, offering exceptional durability and a unique texture. Even at this early stage, security features are integrated into the paper, such as embedded security threads, tiny strips deeply embedded into the paper, visible only under light. The $100 bill also features a watermark of Benjamin Franklin, while the €100 bill includes a portrait watermark of Europa. Have you ever suspected a bill in your hand was counterfeit? If so, how did you check? Before diving deeper into these extraordinary security features, share your quick tips for identifying real bills in the comments below. Once the paper is prepared, the printing process begins, encompassing several critical stages. First, the offset printing process is carried out, where background patterns and primary colors are printed on both sides of the paper. Next, the silkscreen printing technique is applied to incorporate key security features into the banknotes. For the $100 bill, high-tech color-shifting ink is used to print the numeral 100 in the lower right corner on the front side. This numeral shifts from copper to green when tilted, making it easier to verify the authenticity of the bill. The 3D security button in the center creates a dynamic effect, with the numerals 100 appearing to move back and forth depending on the angle of view. Additionally, the bell motif is designed to change color as the bill is tilted further, enhancing its security features. For the €100 note, silkscreen printing also utilizes color-shifting ink, allowing the large numeral 100 on the front to change from emerald green to deep blue when tilted. A holographic strip is added, displaying animated images and glowing under specific lighting conditions. Moreover, microprinting details such as the word Euro and the denomination are included to reinforce anti-counterfeiting measures. Following the silkscreen process, the Integlow printing technique is employed. This method uses high pressure to produce raised details that can be felt by touch. On the $100 bill, intaglio printing is used to render Benjamin Franklin's portrait, the phrase "the United States of America," and other raised elements. On the €100 note, this technique enhances the architectural designs and symbols of the European Union, providing a tangible and refined texture. Finally, each bill is printed with a unique serial number, ensuring traceability and uniqueness within the financial system. Isn't it intricate and fascinating? But there's more! Before entering circulation, the money must pass through an equally important step. Before completion, the sheets are meticulously inspected to ensure perfection. They are then cut into individual bills of standard size, bundled into groups of 100 or 1,000, and sealed for distribution. production of paper currency prioritizes not only quality, but also environmental sustainability. Materials like cotton and linen are recycled as much as possible. Waste products from paper and ink are processed for reuse. Additionally, many printing facilities have adopted renewable energy, reduced emissions, and optimized water usage. These initiatives minimize environmental impact and move toward a more sustainable production process. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the production process behind the $100 and €100 bills. If you're amazed by the blend of technology and craftsmanship, share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Captain Discovery to stay tuned for more exciting adventures.